Second, wrist rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. This way. Same 5 to 10 count. It depends person to person how stiff you are and how weak your wrist is. From here, then you are going finger close this way and rotate. See, push your palm, go forward, left, right, this way, clockwise and anti-clockwise. But keep in mind, keep protract. Don't give this way retract. Protract. Don't retract. Protract and then start this movement. Go left, go forward, go right, go back. So this way you have to rotate 5 to 10 count. This is good for your wrist as well as shoulder. So going forward is really important, and left right, that will help you to improve your range. Then reverse. Always go right, forward, left, back. This way all the sides increase the range slowly and steadily. And after every stressful workout, do this 5 count rotation to release the stress. Now you are keeping finger toward your knees this way. Shoulder width distance, protract and come back. Rock back this time. This is a really good workout to increase your range in wrist, and all this range helps you to perform better and avoid the injuries like dislocation, pulling. Because if you improve your range, so that is your range and nothing will happen like with the impact shoulder or wrist dislocation, something, or any joint dislocation. So we are increasing range to avoid dislocations. This way, same 5 to 10 times. Two more exercises I want to show you. For that, you have to sit on Malasana here and take it down and up. Keep pushing each other, your palm, and move up and down. Keep pushing it up and down. Inhale. Same, you can do reverse here. I'm using my thighs, my elbows locking in between my thighs, and again other way. Again, keep pushing each other, your hand, your palm, wrist, fingers, and keep increasing your range up and down. Five, 10 times, and again this small rotation. And if you want to really strong your fingers, just hold here and do this 30 seconds to 1 minute. Faster, 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 faster. It's really help you to improve your grip as well. It's simple but very strenuous if you do more than 1 minute. Otherwise, you will not feel anything. So these are the simple exercises. One. Now you can get this way, supine, elbow straight, gradually increase the load. First give half load, gradually come forward, keep loaded first 5-10 seconds, and if you are comfort, then go for side to side. Breathing is very important. Inhale, exhale, try to keep your elbow straight and gradually increase the load and feel that stretch. It's really intense. After this again you have to do these rotations 5 and 10 rounds to release that stress. Again we are coming back to here. Now fingers a little close, a little wider, sorry, it's a little wider, and I'm loading it and lifting it. So my shoulder is forward and then I'm lifting it. See here, I'm trying to keep my fingers little bent. This is called grip. This grip help you to hold, to grip the floor. If you keep flat, you can't go, it will move like this. But if you bend your fingers, use your palm this way, so this will like a grip, it will not move. This will help you lot of movement, so you can do that also. And for balancing, handstand, and lot of other movement, hand walk, where you're using the fingers and finger strengthening also. So this finger gripping also important with the load and going forward. So this way, with these small exercises, you can strengthen your wrist and perform better in push-up and hand walk and lot of other movement like pushing, pulling, to avoid the injuries and perform without any difficulties. Thank you.